Complexity in automated production is increasing 24/7. Small batch sizes, fast upgrades, heterogeneous device environments, and a rising risk of cyber attacks. Maintenance teams need a full history of machine backups, so if disaster strikes, programs are instantly recovered and downtime is prevented. Octoplant saves, compares, and detects program changes across the entire plant, independent of manufacturer and device type. So you know what, where, when, and why changes were made and by whom. Octoplant also detects security vulnerabilities across the entire OT infrastructure using current CVE data. Risk levels and critical security issues are identified at the click of a button to avoid outages and product errors. Furthermore, Octoplant provides BI dashboards that include important insights into the connection between OT and IT, so you can make faster, safer, and better decisions. This means less downtime, risk, stress, and more security.